ContentReel AI. Hey there, welcome to my ContentReel AI review. In this video, we are going to look at example videos which have been created with this software, just to give you an idea about the type of videos you will be creating with ContentReel AI. We'll also take a sneak peek inside the members area and their drag and drop editing system, just to give you a better idea about how this actually works. Before we dive into this ContentReel AI review, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and for over 10 years now I've been working from home as a full-time digital marketer, which has been really cool. So I've seen lots of these different systems come and go. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you check out reviews for this product launch. Also, if you want to discover my #1 system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my current #1 system to plug into right now, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click the link in the video description below for that #1 recommended online system. So with ContentReel AI, basically it's a software tool which lets you create talking heads videos created with AI, and also these stock footage videos where you've got stock footage and a text overlay and a background music. They're the two different types of methods of creating the videos with ContentReel AI, and it can even help you schedule the video publications and automatically upload them to certain platforms at a certain date, so you can manage some scheduling within the software as well. Let's take a look at an example of what some of these videos look like. Basically what they've done is they've got a little talking heads video which appears at the bottom of the screen, and then the main video is professional stock footage taken from their library in the background, and then a text overlay that appears, which is basically the script, and then the AI voiceover artist is reading from the script. So I like the use of these professional background images. They look very professional. I'm skeptical on this AI talking head thing here. That looks a bit unrealistic, and it also it's a bit distracting, and it makes it look even more obvious that it's AI. So I would personally not choose the talking heads video function and just stick with the photographs, the background stock footage, and then the text overlays and the AI voiceover artist. If you were going to use a talking head, I'll do more of a cartoony avatar, which looks quite exciting in Hollywood production style, and have that fitting in the whole screen, rather than having a little circle in the background. That seems a bit strange and a bit distracting, in my opinion. You can also choose these vertical video formats, so this can be used for TikTok and Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, the short form video content platforms. So I think that's a good setting to have inside the members area of ContentReel AI, and it basically follows the same structure: stock footage in the background, text overlay, AI voiceover artist, and this one is just the vertical format that the short form video content websites seem to expect. There's lots of different useful settings inside the members area for ContentReel AI. Basically, you're just entering a keyword in, and then you're choosing the number of videos you want to create, so it can create slight variations of that video, so you've got more than one piece of content to upload. You can select the platform you want to upload it to, and you'll get the right specifications for the video dimensions. You can even add a website in for a call to action link that will appear on the video, and then you can select the positioning of your talking head if you want the talking head to appear. That positioning is the position of the website URL, and there's more positioning functions for where your talking head appears, and you can choose to have that talking head or not. I personally would not choose to have the talking head if it's just that little circle in the at the bottom, or if you're only doing a talking head video and it's the main focus, then you can select this icon. So it's a good way to do either the stock footage option or the talking heads option. I'm skeptical about combining them. You've also got this really cool voice clone option, which means if you upload a audio file of your own voice, it will clone that, so you can replicate your own voice. And these voice cloning options are one of the best ways to have a natural sounding AI voiceover. Often the quality is higher quality if you get to train the software on a voice rather than using a built-in AI voiceover. So I like the fact you can clone voices as part of ContentReel AI by training it on other files you already have. They've also got a useful drag and drop video editor where you see frame by frame the script. You can edit the script and the text, and you can edit the background footage. You can choose music backgrounds. You can balance the music with the AI voiceover so they balance out and one's not overpowering the others. You can change the positioning of your talking heads video and your call to action links where the text appears. So you've got this fully customization available within the drag and drop video editor, which is really useful for making tweaks. But the actual initial first attempt video they spit out is actually likely to be quite good anyway, so you might not need to do much editing, but this editor is there if you need to. So all in all, I really like the look of ContentReel AI. They claim that you can make hundreds of videos with just one keyword. I think you're better off maybe going for a couple of videos per keyword. I think the software would get a bit overrun and overpowered and run out of ideas for creating hundreds of videos in one go with just one keyword. Realistically, you can have to do multiple projects and multiple keywords and produce a few videos per project. I don't think you're going to get hundreds in just one project with one keyword. Also, I think you're going to need a proper content marketing game plan and use very specific topics and specific keywords, because if you're just giving a very generic topic, you're going to get a very generic script for that topic as a whole. You really want to niche down to specific topics and ideas. So be a bit more specific with your prompts, and I think you'll get better quality content with the output of ContentReel AI. Anyway, hopefully that quick demo gave you a better idea about how this works and the type of videos you can expect to produce. For me, what's worked to earn a full-time income online with digital marketing for over 10 years now, it's been very much focused on traffic generation, list building, and enjoying the process of getting consistent clicks to proven affiliate sales pages. If you want to discover my #1 approach for generating a realistic income online right now, then click the link below. Click the link in the video description below. That's my #1 system, a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So check out that link in the video description below for that #1 recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my ContentReel AI review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.